In this video, I'm going to show you my personal thought and opinion on HLBZ, exactly what I'm expecting the price to do and all of the interesting stuff. So let's get right into the video. You might be surprised with how it actually turns out to be. Disclaimer, nothing on the channel constitutes professional and slash or financial advice. Everything is my personal thought and opinion. Also, make sure to go check the link in the comments and description for the Discord. And let's get right into the video. So let's waste no time. Today, we're 14% down with HLBZ. This was my previous prediction and exactly what I was expecting the price to do. And this is what happened, okay? You can see it was to the dot. Okay, I was expecting these lows to get cleared. I was expecting some bearish moves, and even from this point onward, we did manage to catch these like 20% move in a matter of one day to the downside at some point. And right now we're in a demand area, so right now it's pretty interesting. And in terms of where I'm expecting the price to go right now, it's pretty interesting. Why? Because we're in a demand area even here, and also we have a demand area just beneath it. And my personal thought right now is going to vary. Okay, exactly what I'm expecting the price to do is as follows. So looking at it, we have a liquidity right here. I'm genuinely expecting maybe some bullish moves to go around and do something, but I'm expecting this to continue to take out the lows. Let me know your thoughts on it. Have a